Answer the first question. Differentiate with respect to t. So 2a into t square, x square derivative is like 2x, like 2t, because we are differentiating with respect to t. So 2 into 2, 4a t. This is dx by dt. And what is dy by dt? Dy by dt, a into t power 4, like by applying x power n formula. 4 t power 4 minus 1. That is 4a t cube. This is dy by dt. We got dx by dt, dy by dt. We need to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, this can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. Because x and y are functions of t variable. So this is equal to, already we got dy by dt is 4a t cube by dx by dt value is 4a t. 4a cancel, 1 t cancel, directly answer is t square. This is the answer. Okay. What is the next question? Second question. Second answer of x is equal to second question is x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Just now I written this equation. Sorry, this is also cos theta. Answer. Yeah, what is the answer here? Just find dy by dx. Can be written as dy by d theta, dx by d theta. Is it here? Okay. So here x and y are the functions in terms of theta. Theta is the parameter. Differentiate with respect to x, with respect to theta, x and y. So dy by theta. What is the derivative of b cos theta? B is constant. Cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Okay, you don't write the direction here. You can write like this. Take x and y. After that, you can write this as differentiate with respect to theta, both x and y. Then you can find dx by theta separately, dy by theta separately. After that, you can substitute. Okay, then what is dx by d theta? A into again cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Minus sin theta cancel. The answer is d by a. And question number 3. Question number 3 is, I will write the parametric equation here. X is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t. See, x and y are the function in terms of t. T is a parameter, right? Do it first. These are all easy. I think question number up to question number 6. All questions are very easy. I'll give one question on the board. You can try to do that. This one is a red direction. Dy by dt can be written as dy by dt, dx by dt, dy by dt, cos 2 theta derivative, sin minus sin 2t. Again 2t derivative is 2. Here chain rule we can apply. First cos derivative, then 2 theta derivative. 2 theta is 2. Okay, by dx by sin t is cos. So you can observe here we got minus 2 sin 2t by cos 2. See, minus 2 sin 2t the formula. Sin 2t the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Differentiate cos 2t is minus sin 2t into 2 minus 2 into sin 2t. Sin 2t the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Cos t cancel 2 into 2 4. So finally the answer is minus 4 sin t. Yeah, all of you do the question number 6. 4 and 5. Questions are very easy only. Do this question. X is equal to a into theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Find this solution and tell me. What is dy by dx? After getting the answer, check with your answer is book bag. Ask me this. So try to remember always the formulas are 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. Second one 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. And third one is sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Yeah, from these two we can write cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta formula? 2 cos square theta minus 1. From this, what is cos 2 theta? We take minus cos 2 theta right side. Take this left side. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 times. Okay. Right. Now, tell me here, differentiate with respect to theta. First find dx by d theta. What is dx by d theta? A into with respect to theta value 1. With respect to x value is in the same way theta value 1. Sin theta is cos theta. And we got dx by d theta. And dy by d theta is a into 1. 1 is a constant, derivative 0. Plus cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Finally, here dy by d theta is minus a sin theta. Okay, here we need to find dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? We got minus a sin theta. What is dx by d theta? A into 1 minus cos theta. A. Now, is it book bag question? Book bag answer? I think we can simplify here. Like, see, I written one formula sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta, cos theta. Apply this formula here. 2 theta becomes theta. But whereas theta becomes theta by 2. So, minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 here 1 minus cos 2 theta again is 2 times k, but here only theta will be there in place of 2 theta, then 2 sin square theta by 2 will be 2 2 theta becomes theta. Theta becomes theta by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 1 sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2 cancel. Remaining here cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2, that is minus cos theta by 2. Like that, you can simplify. Do the simplification very carefully. Okay. Now let's do some question number 7. We need to find dy by dt for the x value is given sin cube t by root over cos 2t, and y value is given cos cube t by this is important one. This question is important. This is 6 mark question. They might be asked 6 mark question. All of you find here t is the parameter. What is the parameter? T is parameter. What we need to find dx by dt, dy by dt. Okay, so here differentiate with respect to t. Let's say here, concentrate here. Dx by dt. Here we can do it 2 ways. Okay, we can do it 2 ways. What are the 2 ways? First, we can apply uv formula or u by v formula. How to apply uv? Because it is a denominator. So, for example, x is equal to sin t. I want to write this value as cos 2t whole power 1 by 2. This is whole power 1 by 2 can take it to numerator. So, sin cube t into cos 2t whole power minus 1 by 2. So, apply u v. If you want to do direct differentiation, u by v. Okay. So first take x value sin cube t by root over cos 2t. I want to compare it with u by v. I want to apply the quotient rule. Since we know that what is the quotient rule? d by dx of u by v is dt. Okay, dt is v du by dt minus u dv by dt by v square. This is the formula of u by v with respect to t. With respect v du by dt. Okay, right. First, dx by dt is equal to v. What is v? Root over cos 2t into better to do here. Okay. Dx by dt is equal to V root cos 2t into d by dt of sin cube t minus sin cube t into d by dt of root cos 2t by v square. V square means root cos 2t square. Let's see that. Dx by dt is equal to root cos 2t sin cube nothing but first cube x cube. X cube derivative is 3x square. Derivative of x cube which is in the form of x cube. First write 3x square, that is 3 sin square t. Again the derivative of sin t is cos t. First sin cube is 3 sin square t, again sin t is cos t. Minus sin cube t. Look at here, again apply chain rule here. First differentiate the square root, then after differentiate cos 2t, then after differentiate this 2t. Okay, how many times we can differentiate? 3 times. One is for root, another one is cos, last one is for 2t. Okay, already we know that root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. And it can formula root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x, so that 1 by 2 root cos 2t. Okay, root derivative completed. Then cos 2t derivative is minus sin 2t. Again 2t derivative is 2. Root is 1 by 2 root cos t. Cos 2t is minus sin 2t. 2t derivative is 2. Yes, 2 get cancelled. By what is the remaining denominator? Cos 2t, because square root cancel. Okay. You can simplify very carefully here. Okay, dx by dt is equal to, right? I want to take LCM. What is LCM here? Root cos 2t here. Yes, by 1. So in numerator, I want to take cos 2t is cos root cos 2t is LCM in numerator. So here you can cross multiply here. Root cos 2t into root cos 2t. It will become cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t. Okay. Minus, what is remaining? Minus into minus. Minus is minus. Plus sin cube t into sin 2t. All divided by cos 2t. Look at here, this is in the form of 1 by x by y. How to write 1 by x by y? 1 by x by. So that this will be multiple. These two will be multiple like this. So you can write cos 2t. Okay. This is same as 1 by x by y. We can write as 1 by x. So we can multiply this. Next, this is equal to, yes, cos 2t, yes, sin square will be there. Sin square is highest power, so that what is cos 2t formula? Cos 2t formula. Cos 2x is 2 sin square x minus 1. And cos 2x, 1, sorry, this is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1. We write in 4 ways. There are 4 formulas for cos 2x. Here I want to use this formula here because sin square t will be there, so that 1 minus 2 sin square t into 3 sin square t cos t plus, look at it, sin cube t. Here cos sin 2 theta. Sin 2 is formula 2 sin x cos x. I written sin 2 x formula 2 sin x cos. Okay, just now I written sin 2 x formula. Sin 2 x is 2 sin x cos x. Remember this formula, right? Simplify that. Look at it. Very important question. Here, root cos 2t into cos. Here, this can be written as cos 2t whole over 3 by 2 also. 3 by 2 also, otherwise we can keep as this not a problem. Let's multiply. If you multiply here, if you multiply here, 3 sin square cos t, so 3 sin square cos 3 sin square sin power 4 t sin square into remaining cos t plus here 2. 2 will be there. Sin into sin power 4 t into y cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Bases are equal. See this. I want to realize this one as root for 1 by 2. See bases are same. Root for 1. Bases are same. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Right? So dx by dt. Look at here. Minus 6 sin 4 cos t plus sin 4 t cos t. Then it will become 3 sin t cos t minus 4 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 sin 4 t cos by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. This is equal to, is there any common here? Any common value? Yes. Sin square or sin t cos t is common. You can take common here. Whole divided by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Then this is equal to, I want to take common here sin t.
So your board is
cos t.
blurred, sir, plus your voice is not properly audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Board is clear now.
No, sir.
Not clear. So what about now? Is it okay?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay. So here I'm taking sin t cos t is common. What is the remaining value? Remaining value 3 sin t minus sin t. One sin t was cos and taking outside, remaining 4 sin cube t divided by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Look at here. This can be written as sin t cos t. Sin t cos t. This is the formula. What is formula here? Sin 3 theta formula. 3x formula. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is same as formula 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube. This can be written as sin 3t. by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. So this is the value of dx by dt. This is the value of final value of dx by dt. What is the value? Sin t cos t sin dt by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Once again here I applied quotient formula, and this formula I applied, and we got derivative. I am taking LCM. Okay, after that I applied this cos 2t formula and sin 2t formula. Cos 2t I written 1 minus 2 sin square is first one, because here sin square s power is sin, not cos. Okay, s power is sin, so that I applied 1 minus 2 sin. If it is, for example, sin t cos square t will be there, then you can apply second formula. But here we have a sin square t and cos t. So you can convert into all sin t, because at last you will get sin 3x formula, sin 3t. Like, any more doubt? This is the only simplification of dx by dt. In the same way, you can find dy by dt. Okay, find similarly dy by dt. Then after that, we write dy by dx as all of you try to find dy by dt first. Any doubts here in this simplification? If you apply product rule also, will get finally same answer. But in that case also, you need to substitute cos 2t as 1 minus 2 sin square t, and sin 2t 2 sin t cos t. Only 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to find dy by dt. Just to take screenshot, otherwise take screenshot and try to practice it, right? Okay, right. dy by dt is equal to, again same u by v. What is u? U is cos 2t, and we take first v du by v is root cos 2t, d by dt of cos qt minus cos qt d by dt of root cos qt. We'll get add this simplification. We pass now root cos 2t. Then cos cube is first 3 cos square. I want to write that. 3 cos square t, and cos t derivative is minus sin t. Minus cos cube t minus cos cube t. the derivative is 1 by 2 root cos 2t, and cos 2t is minus sin 2t, 2t derivative again 2 by denominator is root cos 2t whole square, like b square. B value is root cos. Again, take LCM. What is LCM here? LCM is root, because this 2 get cancelled. LCM is cos 2t, cos 2t into cos 2t, root will be cancelled, root cos 2t whole square. Get cancelled here, minus will be there, minus, this minus better to write here. Minus right here, remaining value is 3 cos square t into sin t, minus cos cube t, minus into minus, yes, plus, minus into minus, plus, and remaining sin 2t, into, what is the square root cancel, remaining cos 2t. Next, this is equal to, again, cos 2t. So which one we can apply, first one or second one? First formula or second formula in this case? I said clearly based on okay, here cos square t, cos square, highest power is cos. So that better to apply second one. So this can be written as minus of 2 cos square t minus 1. 2 cos square t minus 1 into 3 cos square t sin t plus cos cube t. Again sin 2t. Sin 2t formula is 2 sin t cos t by all divided by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Okay, denominator is same in both sides. dy by dt is equal to right here. Now multiply these two minus this. First write better write plus, minus is minus plus 1 into this 3 cos square t sin, minus is minus plus 1 into this value, same value, add here minus 2 3 cos square cos power 4 t into remaining sin t. Next here plus 2 cos cube into cos power 4 t sin t all divided by this cos 2t cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. This I written, right? Now simplify it. Here minus 6 plus 2. 3 cos square t sin t minus 4. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 cos 4 t sin t. All divided by cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Any common here? Any common like cos t sin t is common. Square is common. It's better to take only cos t because we'll get the formula like I'm taking common here sin t cos t, remaining value is 3 cos t minus 4. Okay, it's better to take minus common. I will tell you why. Minus means here you get first is 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. Here I am taking minus first, sin t and cos t I am taking also remaining value. What is the remaining value? If I take 1 cos t and sin t, remaining value is 4 cos cube t. If I take 1 sin t and 1 cos t, remaining value is 3 cos t. Because this is the formula of cos 3x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube. So that I am taking minus common. So this can be finally dy by dt becomes minus sin t cos t cos 3t divided by this value cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Okay, this is the dy by dt, but we need to find what is question? We need to find dy by dx. Finally, we got see dy by dx. To get dy by dx, just divide it with dx by dt here. Both sides. What is dx by dt we got? Dx by dt, I think we got sin t cos t into sin 3t divided by cos 3t cos 2t whole power 3 by. Is it right? I think this dx by dt is sin t cos t sin 3t by cos 2t whole power 3 by 3. Finally, sin t cos t cancel. This cos 2t whole power 3 by denominator is cancel. Finally, what is the remaining value? Minus cos 3t by sin 3t. That is the answer is dy by dx is equal to minus cos 3t. What is the final answer? Dy by dx is minus cos 3t by sin 3t. So remaining all values will be cancelled. Sin t cos t denominator. Then finally cos by sin will give cos minus cos 3t. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay. We complete chapter only 4 to 5 questions are lengthy. This is one of the questions is little lengthy. We observe here, we know all derivatives, only simplification part. Simplification, we can be very careful. Here we can apply sin 2x formula in both formulas and sin 2x cos 2x and sin 3x we apply cos 3x. We using all these formulas so that try to remember all the formulas. So everyone knows all these formulas. Okay, final answer is minus 1. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, ask. Okay, session going to be end.